Hi, Ricky. Making a video. Metra. Not as much stops as we had before. It will be in Waukegan by 4:36. Is your schedule, guys? On the Metro train. Earlier. There's the other Metro. I can't really see much. I'm making a video. Hi.
Cars over.
Hi, that's my sister. That's my aunt. Hi.
Can I see a camera? Would this work?
We gotta wait till we get out.
The train station.
I'm gonna save this.
Alright, so am I.
Membership Chicago.
Yep, Chicago here. I mean, Waukegan. I hope we get
Do you got the ticket?
I want to stay on this train forever.
Oh, Nathan, ticket.
Why do you need it? No, those are all mine. Yours is here. What?
Oh, mine's in
I got it for you. I'll do it for you. Can you hold this? Just look out the window.
Look out the window.
Here you go. Here we go. Can you hold this for me, please?
Hey, I got two. I got two of them.
You have two.
I got two of each.
I got two.
Alright, thank you.
You have two.
I got two.
That sounded like we're
You have,
leaving.
not you got. You have. I have.
I have.
There you go. Two of each.
So if I like lose one,
You have an extra one.
Exactly.
Millennium Station. You put it on the back. And one of the Annie.
Yeah, here, let me see yours, Annie.
What kind of Manhattan is it?
Oh, that's Manhattan.
Chicago?
No, it's not the Manhattan you're thinking of, darling.
Okay.
I only up there to Joliet, Elgin, Aurora, University Park. You got a, oh, that's just a big one.
That's electric.
Oh, there's no, you don't have the Millennium Station one.
You don't?
I was gonna.
We're moving. I didn't even notice we were moving.
Oh.
You guys notice anything?
What? We're moving?
Yeah. We're moving, guys. What the heck? That's one of the trains that pull the cars around and stuff. Alright. I already came. We're leaving to Kenosha. We are going to Kenosha on this Metro. It's gonna be a fun video I'm gonna make. See, our first video, our first stop is Rogers Park. No, wait, Ravenswood.
I'll treat you. Scheduled for the camera.
We'll be in our first stop will be Ravenswood.
And you don't have any for Kenosha?
I do.
Because I was gonna grab him on Ricky.
Hey, look, I can see the train in
I
the
got you,
front.
darling.
Hey, that's the train we took.
Yep.
Look at all those stops that one goes to compared to like University Park. It seems like worthless to have this one. Yeah, text message.
They can tell. The people will tell it's a Metro.
Ethan, look at this train schedule. It's so little.
There's not that many stops.
Well, like, look at this one compared to where's University Park. Yeah. Look at those two. I know, isn't that crazy? I don't even know how that one works. Oh, see, that's the Metro Electric one.
Yeah. I didn't see any of the Millennium Park. Oh, look, there's more tracks. Ooh, look at that little bridge thingy.
Can I take a video or no?
Sure. Do you know how?
I'm posting mine on YouTube though. I wonder how many views I'll get.
Mine's on How do you play? Like start it.
Yeah, hit the button like you're gonna take a picture.
Hey!
How many stops will we be stopping at? Let me count. We'll catch up speed in a couple minutes. We're just right now leaving Ogilvie. Yep.
Oh shit, we're gonna. Yes, I thought it was 4:35 or 3:35.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I was right.
Nathan is wrong.
I can hear the cars squeaking. Is there another train coming on the side? I just seen a light on the metro. Yeah, it's probably the cars and stuff. There's a metro coming. I'm gonna get it going by. Ready?
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna startle you. It's gonna startle you. Here it comes.
It's gonna startle you.
Now I know about it.
And it's gonna have on your camera.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording. Ricky! Ricky, stop! Oh, you made me miss it.
What did I miss?
You made me miss it.
Well, Willie.
Look at the tickets right behind you. Yeah, you really gotta show them.
You're not acting.
11.
What was I gonna ask? And you know, I think I'm gonna go like how you do, ride the train every time I go to school. I'm gonna go in Chicago like this.
Uh-oh, it's all done. No more camera.
For me, there is.
Yeah, I heard it was.
Thank you.
That's yours. I gave Amy her.
See, I think we're picking up speed right now.
All right, everybody. How was your day, Annie? What'd you do today? How was your day, Nathan?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How was the train?
Good. It was awesome. I'm gonna sleep on it forever.
Was it scary?
No.
No?
Nope.
Did you hold my hand?
No, I did not.
You didn't hold her hand?
No.
No?
No, I didn't.
Stephanie, did you hold your hand?
Yup. For a good 2 minutes.
Nope.
Yup.
Not for a good 2
Look
minutes.
at that lying face. I got you on camera lying. Well, say hi to your mom and dad.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. What, are they talking to you right now?
He's gonna send him a video.
Oh.
Hey, can I use your phone?
No, baby, my battery is super low.
And I'm doing this for YouTube.
This is a picture. No? Never.
I wonder what that's for down there. I wonder why it's not going so fast.
Eve was bill study for Steven at 40 bucks. She needed 40 bucks to pick him up a MP3 thing for his car. So I gotta find my card to get all that money out.
I think it's a murder.
I think so too. It's gotta be. It's not my car.
Like you said, you remember seeing it video?
I'm almost positive I remember seeing it when we got back. When I got home.
Like when you were getting billed for it.
Because I had it.
We just passed Clybourne.
The only place it may be is at the bank or Steven's house. But I'm almost positive I saw it at the house whenever I was talking to Jake and Big Bill.
we still in Chicago? I was getting a little faster.
A little bit.
And we're on an express train too. Are we on an express train?
Yeah.
Because the stop said some. Has there ever been a train that went from Kenosha and skipped all the stations to Chicago?
I've been one on where I was at Chicago, and I skipped all the stations to Kenosha, and it still took an hour and a half.
Was there other trains in front though?
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it was a school reserved it for a field trip, and I snuck on. I think what happened.
We're up to having enough tonight.
Do you have one too? That was my second. Whoa. That sounded weird. Building a new Chicago. I don't get it. Hey, there's a CTA track. That's the upstairs. We're gonna go to Waukegan. The next time, can we go from Kenosha to Chicago?
Yeah, I think next time will be a little bit better planned.
Okay. We stayed up a little too late.
Huh?
I said we stayed up a little too late last night.
It's not that. We just literally went on the busiest weekend of Chicago.
Turn my thing back now. I'm keeping it out just in case we need to name off the stations here. Our next station is what? Ravens Park, I think. How long do we get out of Chicago though?
Probably not long.
But it's gonna be an hour.
I think when you hit the Evanston, you're definitely out of Chicago.
Wait, how long is this gonna be? An hour and a half?
Like an hour.
We're stopping.
You're stopping.
Can you take me to the bathroom?